Hello there, and we're about to go up Penna Fan, and this is a walk that we've done many times, but today's a bit different. As you can see, the cloud has come down, and where the cloud is now, there is actually snow. We saw that as we came in, so we're going to attempt to walk up here, and next week we're going to go to Helvellyn, which we'll also film. So let's start making a move. I don't know if you'll be able to pick this up, but there's driving snow at the moment, and visibility's going down. It should be fun. Well, here comes Sue. Look at this view. Isn't that wonderful? And we're nowhere near the top yet either. I'd say, I don't know, 1,000 feet, maybe not even that yet. Visibility not good, as you can see, and I don't really want to point the camera too much into the wind because it'll get covered in raindrops, but as you can see, this is looking away. Just have a very quick look. I'll have to, and there's Sue going up, as you can see it goes. Well, as you can see, we've pretty much reached the snow line. Visibility really is dropping now. We're going to the clouds. Precipitation has stopped really for the moment, so we haven't got snow blowing in our faces. So that's not so bad. As you can probably hear, the wind is picking up, and I guess that we could have another snowstorm coming. But isn't this wonderful? Look at that snow in British Isles. Great. If I go back, you can see Sue just making progress into the clouds up there. She's doing okay. She's got a slight niggle in her right ankle. Really, I mean, all I can say is it's absolutely fantastic. I mean, if you look at the views behind me, I know you can't see much, but to see snow like this, to be able to get into the snow in Britain and not have to be in Switzerland or France is just brilliant. And the forecast is that we should have some more snow over the next 4 or 5 days, so that bodes well for the Helvellyn trip. Anyway, must carry on. See you soon. Freezing cold temperatures. Not really high altitude, but it's still very, very cold up here. The mist has come in, and visibility is very low. We're actually sheltered here behind this rock, but when you come out of it, the wind just blows. Actually, my whole side that got damp is frozen, which is quite amazing, really. Anyway, there's not much to see. It's just misty. So we'll carry on, and we'll talk to you again at the top. Bye.
Should reach base camp in about 10 minutes.
How do you feel, Sue?
Well, the oxygen level up here isn't very good now, as we're not far from base camp, but I think I'll get through it. I'm alright.
And any words for Ben?
Ben? Oh, it's easy, mate. You'll be fine.
So Helvellyn is a lot easier than this, isn't it?
Yes, it is. A lot easier. My fingers are crossed. No, not really.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, well I don't know how well you can see this, but we are now at the top of Poole Dhu, and we're about to go over to Pen y Fan. As you can see, there's a bit of a blizzard thing going on here. It's very cold, very wet. Not sure if it's snow or freezing rain, but as you can see, there's snow everywhere. Snow's quite deep. So, not really much to see. Well, we're going to go to Pen y Fan, but when we got there, the wind was so terrible, and the wind was so bad and cold, and the snow was bad, and we had to climb down some rocks. So in the end, we actually decided that we'd head back, because this is only a test walk for next week when we go to Helvellyn. So, well, let's hope conditions are like this when we go to Helvellyn next week. It'll be fantastic. I'm really looking forward to next week, but all I can think of now is that I want to get back down, have a nice hot cup of tea and a bit of fruit cake. So anyway, we'll probably just talk to you a bit more on the way down. Bye.